If you want to remove something from a photo on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna go to the gallery. Next, in the gallery, we want to open the photo that we wish to edit and press this pen icon at the bottom. Over here, we need to switch to AI tools and we want to use the erase option. If you do this for the first time, you will need to download the plugin, but it shouldn't take too long to download it. Once you are here, you can manually erase something by simply drawing the area that we wish to erase, and then we can press start. Now we can also select remove objects, remove lines, and remove people. So essentially, for example, I'm gonna use remove objects in this case, and let's say I want to remove my earbuds from the photo. So I'm gonna select the area of the object. It should be highlighted after that, and we can press start at the bottom. And now we need to patiently wait for the AI to remove the selected object from our photo, and soon we should get the results. There we go. And as you can see, the object is gone. So now I can press this check in the bottom right corner since we are done, press save in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!